starting interpolation, we have seen that there were certain operators, right? So we tried to study those operators, right? So those operators was what? They were the forward difference. So forward difference was what? So in general, del n forward difference, nth forward difference for yr was what? Move one step forward and take the difference. Del n minus 1, del n minus 1. Then we did backward difference. Backward difference was what? Stay at the point. So del n by r minus. So we have done backward difference. So nth order backward difference was what? Stay at, so one step back. So del n minus 1, del n minus 1. Stay at r, take the difference, r minus 1. Then we have done shift operator E and we have done the central operator. Then we have seen the relationship. So these relationships you will remember. We have seen relationship between the shift operator and the other operator. So delta was what? Delta was E minus 1. So from here 1 plus delta is equal to E. We use this. Then we have seen backward operator is what? We had backward operators was 1 minus E inverse. Then we have seen central operator was what? E half minus E minus half. And then we have seen that the next operator was the central operator, and we have seen that the central operator was how much? Right? Mu was what? It's the average one. So mu was what? It was half of E half plus E minus half. So we have seen that these operators, right? We will see in the formulas that these operators will actually help us in interpolation, right? So before moving to the remaining theory, right? We'll do step by step, right? Let us start with the questions. So जैसे हम लोगों ने forward table बनाया था, if you remember हमने forward table बनाया था, same way we'll be making backward table, central table and all other tables, right? So what I'll do, जैसे जैसे हम क्वेश्चंस देखते जाएंगे आई विल बी रिवाइजिंग दोस कांसेप्ट्स. सो हमने ऑलरेडी फॉरवर्ड टेबल बनाया था. फॉरवर्ड टेबल हम एक बार और फिर से बनाएंगे. सो बिफोर दैट लेट अस सी. सो ड्रॉ द बैकवर्ड डिफरेंस टेबल. बैकवर्ड डिफरेंस टेबल. सो xi's, yi's and these are from 0 to 8. So just for the shortage of space, let me take this as 0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Say suppose you have your 5 values, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. So we know, let us make the backward table now. Again आपने लिखना सेंटर में ही है. So now you see backward का मतलब क्या था? Backward क्या था? पॉइंट पे रहो, पीछे से माइनस करो. अगर आप देखो y0 से पहले कोई पॉइंट नहीं है तो आप y0 का बैकवर्ड ऑपरेटर नहीं ले सकते, राइट? नाउ y1 का मतलब करना आपने वैसे ही है. So you see y1 minus y0. But if you see what is this value? This is the backward difference operator for y1. बेटा it is clear? y1 पे रहे, y0 को माइनस किया. बेटा इज इट फाइन? किया हमने वही है जो हमने फॉरवर्ड टेबल में किया था. y1 minus y0, वहां पे हमने नाम दे दिया था इसको डेल ऑफ फॉरवर्ड ऑफ. सो इफ यू रिमेंबर डेल ऑफ y0 कितना आ जाएगा? आगे गए डिफरेंस लिया. सो y1 minus y0. यहाँ पे क्या है? हम बैकवर्ड कर रहे हैं. y1 पे खड़े हुए y0 को माइनस किया, इसलिए यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? बैकवर्ड ऑफ y1, नॉट द बैकवर्ड ऑफ y0. बेटा इज इट फाइन?
यस मैम.
सिमिलरली यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? बैकवर्ड ऑफ y2. सो y2 minus y1. वैल्यू हम वैसे ही निकाल रहे हैं माइनस करके. अगेन y3 minus y1. बट अगर आप इसको बैकवर्ड ऑपरेटर के नाम में आपने स्टडी करना है तो दिस विल बी डेल ऑफ y3. सो दिस विल बी अगेन यू विल हैव डेल ऑफ y4. सो y4 minus y3. सो सिमिलरली दिस विल बी सेकंड ऑर्डर. अगेन ये जो आंसर्स आएंगे इनको माइनस करना है. सो नाउ दिस विल बी सेकंड ऑपरेटर, सेकंड ऑर्डर. तो अगर आप देखो y2 डेल ऑफ y2 को आप डेल ऑफ y1 को आप डेल ऑफ y2 से माइनस कर रहे हो. सो यू विल हैव डेल स्क्वायर ऑफ y2, you will have del square of y3. Similarly you will have del square of y4. Similarly अगर मैं फिफ्थ ऑर्डर की बात करूं, थर्ड ऑर्डर की बात करूं, so you will have what? Again थर्ड ऑर्डर का मतलब क्या हुआ? del square of y3 minus del square of y2. So obviously this will be what? Third order of y3, third backward difference of y4. And finally you will just have one entry. So this will be third order difference of y. अब अभी सिर्फ एक ही एंट्री रह गई है तो आप आगे नहीं मूव कर सकते. So my table finishes here. So suppose he is saying hence evaluate. So here I can say hence evaluate del cube y4 in terms of y1, y0, y3 and so on. So we just have to put the values. So what is del cube y4? Del cube y4 by definition is what? Del square. Del square. एक कम जहां पे हो वही रहो. So y4 minus y. So again, what is del square y4? Again, one less. So y4 minus y3 minus here with what you will have y3 minus y2. Again, what this will be? Again, what is this? What is del of y4? So jahan pe ho wahi raho. So y4 minus y3 minus y3 minus y2 minus again y3 minus y2 and this will be minus y2 and since bahar minus is a plus 1. So you can club all these values. So this is how we have calculated del of y3. I mean third order backward difference of y4 in terms of y2, y3, y4. Beta, is it fine? Beta,
Yes,
किसी को doubt backward difference में? करना वही है जैसे हमने टेबल पहले बनाया था. सेम वे में हमने टेबल बनाना है. So I think this question we have seen. ये कर लिया था हमने. Example 2 कर लिया था हमने. अगर आप next questions देखो, if you see next question, example number 3, first part. So in these kind of questions, you have to use the relations. Prove that something is equal to something. So first, this part is prove that. So this is common G&D also. Del of yk is equal to del of yk, and this is equal to del square of y. So always it is suggested just apply the definition, right? And you will get the result. So you see, let us see the first part. Let us see the left hand side. Del of yk. So you see, this is what? Del of, what is backward difference of yk? Stay at yk, take one step back. So now this will be what? This will be del of yk minus del of yk minus 1. Again, what is del of yk? This will be yk minus yk minus 1 minus. What is this? Now this is forward. Oh, I'm sorry. This is forward difference. Please, I'm sorry. So you see, this is forward difference. So what is del of yk? So forward means go one step forward, then take the difference. Again, go one step forward, then take the difference. So what we get? अगर मैं combine कर दूं तो yk plus 1 minus 2 yk plus yk minus 1. बेटा सबको clear है यहाँ तक? Girls clear है सबको?
yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
Now what is the second? What is the second side? So we have to show del yk. मैं सिर्फ definition लगा रही हूँ. So you see del. Now what is del of yk? What is del of yk? This is forward. So forward means go one step forward. So yk plus 1 minus y. So this is what? This is del yk plus 1 minus del y. So this is equal to what? Now the inverse of yk. So this is stay. So yk plus 1 minus yk. So this will be minus yk minus yk minus. Stay at yk and एक step back के साथ difference. So अगर आप इसको open करोगे तो क्या हो गया? yk plus 1 minus 2 yk plus yk minus. So you see both are same. Same ही है दोनों. But is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, so you just have to use the relations. Now देखो the third point is what? Third point is del square. जब भी del या mu आ जाए, it is always easy to use द शिफ्ट ऑपरेटर, सो डेल स्क्वायर ऑफ वाई के। और हमें पता है व्हाट इज डेल ऑपरेटर, डेल ऑपरेटर इज व्हाट, ई ऑफ हाफ minus e of minus half. So that is why I told you, you have to remember this. So this is del. Del is what, e of half minus e of minus half. So हमें square करना है y की, easy हो जाती है calculations. So what is this, a minus b का whole square, so a square minus 2ab plus b square into y. So you see, what is this? 2 will cancel. So e minus 2. So bases are same, powers can be added. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 0 and e raised to power 0 is 1. So only 2 is left plus this is e of minus 1 of yk. So this is what, e of yk minus 2yk plus e inverse of yk. So if you remember, e was the shift operator. So e raised to power 1 of yk means yk को 1 point से shift कर दो. So yk plus 1 minus 2yk and plus this is what, yk को एक shift पीछे कर दो because minus है, so yk minus. So again if you see, this is same. Beta, is it fine? So
Yes,
all the
ma'am.
three quantities are same. Okay, let us take the second part also. So there are a lot many questions of these type. So we just have to put the values. So we have to show, this is also come in GNDU. So we have to prove that e raised to power x is equal to del square e raised to power x. So one thing is very important, you have to make sure these are operators. तो जिस order में है उसी order में आपने operators को करना है. So whenever you have these kind of operators, it is always suggestible that you convert everything into e form, right? So since left hand side में तो कोई operator नहीं है, let us take right hand side. So right hand side del, delta if you remember was what? What was the we had delta is equal to e minus 1. याद है हमने delta को क्या किया था, e minus 1. So this is what, because e operator लगाना सबसे आसान है. E minus 1 का square over e into e raised to power x. E of e raised to power x. Again delta square what will be e minus 1 का whole square. Shall I write directly? So e square minus 2i e plus 1. बेटा clear है? So if you see, what is this?
Yes, ma'am.
You see, इस पूरे ऑपरेटर पे e raised to power x लगाना है. ऐसे नहीं करना कि e raised to power x नीचे, इस ऑपरेटर पे e raised to power x लगाना है. So let us first simplify this. So you see, this is what, numerator क्या बन गया, e square minus 2e plus 1. Obviously नीचे e है तो हमने e से डिवाइड कर दिया. इस ऑपरेटर के साथ e raised to power x, यहाँ पे दोनों के साथ है. So you see, यहाँ पे e raised to power x पे e भी लग रहा है, तो हमें पता है e का मतलब क्या हुआ, शिफ्ट. x को हमने एक पॉइंट से शिफ्ट कर दिया, जो चेंज आएगी वो x में ही आएगी. So x will be shifted to x plus 1 because e raised to power 1 है. इधर क्या आएगा, पहले आ जाएगा e square into e raised to power x. So x will be shifted from 2 points, minus 2 e into e raised to power x. So again x will be shifted from 1 point plus 1 into e raised to power x. Girls clear है सबको, कोई डाउट? Now what about this one? What about this one? So e square over e is e minus 2 plus e inverse e raised to power x. So if you see, this is e raised to power x plus 1. नीचे से e raised to power x कॉमन आ रहा है, तो इधर क्या बच रहा है, e square minus 2e plus 1. तो अब अगर मैं फाइनल, अगर इसके साथ अब हम ऑपरेटर लगा दें तो क्या आ जाएगा, e of e raised to power x. तो एक शिफ्ट e raised to power x plus 1 minus 2 e raised to power x plus e raised to power एक पीछे x minus 1. So इधर क्या आ गया, e raised to power x. See x plus 1 को हमने लिख दिया e raised to power x into e. नीचे क्या आ गया, e raised to power x e square minus 2e plus 1. So now we just have to rearrange the terms and we have to see कौन सी terms common आ रही हैं. तो अगर आप देखो यहाँ से e raised to power x minus 1 अगर मैं कॉमन लेती हूँ, अगर मैं e raised to power x minus 1 कॉमन लेती हूँ तो ये क्या बन जाएगा, e raised to power e square minus 2e plus 1. तो e square minus 2e plus 1 ऊपर भी आ गया, e square minus 2e नीचे भी आ गया. So you see what this is left, what we are left with. So you see this is what. So this is equal to फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में से मैंने e raised to power x minus 1 कॉमन ले लिया. तो अगर आप देखो फर्स्ट टर्म में x plus 1 थी तो 2 पावर ज्यादा थी, यहाँ पे 1 पावर ज्यादा थी प्लस 1. क्या बच गया, e raised to power x into e over e raised to power x e square minus 2e plus 1. So you see this cancel, e raised to power x into e raised to power x cancel. Again e raised to power x minus 1 e to the power 1. Bases are same, powers can be added. So this is e raised to power x. This is left hand side. Beta, is it clear? Girls, clear है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So let me run. So example number 4 again GNDU में आया हुआ है. So you can solve it yourself. You just have to put the relations. Let me quickly say something about example number 5. So you have to evaluate this value. So delta square of some polynomial, right? And if you see, he's saying interval of difference being unity, right? So before that, see, जब भी आपके पास ऐसा question हो, first step should be you should make partial fractions because things becomes easy. So you see 4x square minus 25x plus 31, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. It is always suggested that you write this as a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x minus 3. तो अगर मैं एलसीएम ले लूं इधर राइट हैंड साइड पे तो क्या बन जाएगा, x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3. इधर क्या आ जाएगा, a के साथ आ जाएगा x minus 2 x minus 3 बिकॉज a के साथ x minus 1 ऑलरेडी है. b के साथ क्या आ जाएगा, x minus 1 x minus 3 और c के साथ क्या आ जाएगा, x minus 1 x minus 2. So obviously this term and this term will cancel. So हमें क्या चाहिए, हमें abc की वैल्यूज चाहिए. तो अगर आपको याद हो पार्शियल फ्रैक्शंस में हम क्या करते हैं, इजी मेथड अपनाते हैं, राइट? पहले हम लेट अस पुट x is equal to 2. So moment you will put x is equal to 2, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे भी राइट हैंड साइड पे भी. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे क्या है, 4x स्क्वायर minus 25x plus 31. जैसे ही आप 2 पुट करोगे तो कितना हो जाएगा, 16 minus 50 plus 31. So this will be how much? If you see x is equal to 2 put किया तो 2 minus 2, so a वाली term भी 0 हो गई, c वाली term भी 0 हो गई, b कितना हो गया, 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So you see this is equal to minus 1. बेटा कितना बना ये? So this is 46. So minus 50 plus 46, so minus 4. So from here b is how much? B is 4. No, this is, sorry, no, this is 47. So B is 3. Beta, is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes.
Let us put x is equal to 1. जैसे हमने x को 1 put किया तो 4 minus 25 plus 31. So 31 plus 4 is 35 and 35 minus 25 is 10. और इधर से अगर आप देखो b वाली टर्म भी 0 हो जाएगी, c वाली टर्म भी 0 हो जाएगी. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and 1 minus 3 is minus 2 into a. So from here, what is the value of a? A is 5. So similarly, you can see by taking x is equal to 3, c will turn out to be minus 4. Right? So if you see, so the given question is what? You have to find you have to find del square of first fraction हमारी क्या बन गई a was 5 so a upon x minus 1, b was 3 so 3 upon x minus 2, and c is minus 4 so minus 4 over x minus 2. So with this we can break, so this is del square over 5 over x minus 1 plus del square over 3 over x minus 2 plus minus del square over 4 over x minus 2. Again, ABCs are, so all these values, constant values 5, 3, 4, they can come outside because उसमें तो कोई change नहीं होता. So you see, this is what? This is del. So 5 is outside. Del of 1 over x minus 1. दो बार del लगाना है. Plus again 3 is outside. Del of 1 over x minus 2. बेटा क्लियर है सबको यहां तक? 4 del of 1 over x minus 2. Girls, is it fine?
Yes.
So you see, this is 5. बेटा आप ध्यान से देखो, del लगाना है. So you see, del means what? Go one step forward x की वैल्यू में and then take the difference. अब यहाँ पे he is saying difference, you take the difference being unity, interval of difference. Means first value और next value में difference is unity. Unity means 1. Means अगर x की first एक value x है तो next value होगी x plus 1, फिर x plus 2 and so on. तो अब हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें चाहिए del of 1 over x minus 1. तो जो भी change होती है वो x में आती है. तो अभी वैल्यू x है, तो जब हम 1 टाइम फॉरवर्ड चले जाएंगे तो वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? x plus 1. तो you see, go one step forward. x की जगह हमने क्या रखा? x plus 1, ऑलरेडी minus 1 पड़ा था, minus original value x minus 1. Girls, is this step clear? बेटा क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Again 3 delta. So you have x minus 2. So again go one step forward. तो x की जगह क्या आ जाएगा? x plus 1. The difference. And last is minus 4 delta. x की जगह क्या आ जाएगा? x plus 3 minus 3 minus 1 over x. So if you see 1 and 1 will cancel here. This is minus 1. This is 3 and minus 3 will cancel. So what you can do, you can just take the LCM, right? And you can simplify this. So you see, you will get this one. LCM लेके इसको simplify कर लेंगे हम, right? But अभी देखो, अभी आपको एक del और लेना है. अभी आपको एक del और लेना है, right? So now what this will be? Let us just quickly simplify this one. So अगर आप LCM लोगे तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? डेल्टा ऑफ, so 5 को बाहर ही रहने देते हैं. So x minus 1 minus x. So obviously x is cancel, so minus 1 x into x minus 1. Then plus again x minus 2 minus x minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 again will be minus 1. So इधर क्या आ जाएगा? x minus 1 x minus 2. And last bracket क्या बन जाएगी? Minus 4 is there. X minus 3 minus x. So this will be 3. So 4 into 3 will be 12. 1 over x into x minus 3. तो बेटा अभी इस क्वेश्चन में you have to take one more delta. So one more step you have to do. So we know delta will be what? Very first term का अगर मैं delta लूँ, again minus 1 I can take outside. So minus 5. Again delta means what? X की जगह x plus 1. इसकी जगह फिर से x plus 1. Already minus 1 था. Minus 1 over x into x minus 1. बेटा is it clear? Girls clear है? ये 5 से किसके साथ ही था? Girls clear है सबको? अच्छा ये वाला +12 बन जाएगा. This will be -4 is already there. ये इसके साथ में 3 था बाहर, सो ये 3 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. और यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो ये कैंसिल हो गया था, तो x - 3 - x एक्सेस कैंसिल हो, दिस विल बी +2. बेटा इज इट फाइन? ये एक मिनट, मैंने आई थिंक आई डिड दिस हियर रॉन्ग. प्लीज, दिस इज नॉट x + 3. मैंने दिस विल बी x + 1 - 3. प्लीज, x + 1 - 3. yes, so this will be what? x - 2 x - 3. गर्ल्स क्लियर है सबको? x - 2 x - 3. Please, I'm sorry. So what will be? This will be x - 3. अगर मैं LCM लूंगी तो x - 3 minus x plus 2. So obviously x and x will cancel. 3 - 3 plus 2 is -1. Already -4 is outside, so this will be +1. बेटा क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is this. The next bracket will be what? -3. Again एक और del लगाना है. So 1/x + 1 -1 x + 1 -2 minus of the same number x - 1 x - 2, and last will be +4. So shift करेंगे पहले. So x + 1 - 2 x + 1 - 3 and minus of, मैं सिर्फ आपको दिखाने के लिए I'm writing this way, otherwise you can do the calculation directly also. And in the end you can just take simple LCM, no need to find the complete polynomial. बेटा is it fine? इससे further हो जाएगा complete? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just give me one more minute. Okay, I'll do 6th question की अभी मैंने theory आपसे discuss करनी है, that I'll do tomorrow. But 7th and 8th questions examples you can try. So let us just quickly do these one. This is same again, right? So delta square of ABX. So हमेशा याद रखना है बेटा, जिस टर्म के साथ x आ रहा है उसी में ही चेंज आएगा, और बाकी सारी टर्म्स कांस्टेंट है. So you see this is what? This is delta of ABX. So here he is giving the interval of difference being unity. अगर कुछ भी ना दिया हो तो हम interval of difference h ले लेते हैं. x plus h. तो यहाँ पे he is saying h is 1. So you see this is what? Delta. A is constant, no change, right? B, so AB x की जगह x plus 1 minus the original value. So again we can simplify this. A is common, b raised to power x is common. So क्या बच गया? b minus 1. So now delta means what? जहां पे x नहीं है वहां पे no change. So a and b minus 1 as such. So x की जगह x plus 1 minus b raised to power x. Beta, is it fine? Is it fine? So you can simplify this. You can take b raised to power x common. तो इधर क्या बच गया? b minus 1 b minus 1. So this is b minus 1 का whole square. So you just have to apply the definitions, right? Similarly, अगर आप example number 8 में देखो, so these are trigonometric formulas. So he is not giving anything here. So tan inverse, he is not giving any difference of unity, right? Difference is not unity. So here in this case, you will take x plus h. So tan inverse of x delta will be what? Tan inverse x की जगह x plus h minus tan inverse x. So since these are trigonometric functions, so trigonometric formulas को हम use करके we can simplify the things. So what you do, please complete question number 8. Just go through question, सिर्फ definition लगानी है और trigonometric formula से इसको solve करना है. But is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So
Yes, ma'am.
we continue from here. Let me just share the attendance link.